Hi guys, Janet with the Divine Appetit here. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an impressive dessert that not only tastes amazing, but it takes just a few ingredients and minutes to make. You've got to bake our cherry and almond clafoutis. Let's start with pitting some cherries. This is our favorite pitter, and the link is in the description below. Go ahead and add your dry ingredients. And as always, the full recipe is on divineappetit.com. You can go over there, download it, print it, and you'll have everything that you need. Next, we're going to be adding our eggs. And then we're going to be adding our milk and cream. Just whisk together all the ingredients until you have a completely mixed batter. You can do this with a mixer, but there's not enough flour in here for me to justify bringing my mixer out. So I was able to completely, as you can see, it's very, very broken down, do this with a whisk. I almost forgot the almond extracts. Yes. Into a 9-inch pie plate that is well buttered, pour about 1/4 of an inch of batter into the pan. Then put it in your oven at 350 degrees again for 10 minutes or until there is a film on top of it. Now that we have a thin film on the bottom of our pan, you're going to want to put your cherries and just try to arrange them so that they cover everything. Gonna make sure that they are as evenly spaced as I can possibly get them. Now we can go ahead and pour the remaining of our batter over our cherries, and we might have to arrange again a little. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle with just a little bit of more sugar, just to kind of get on those almonds. Now let's put it in the oven at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. At 40 minutes, you should definitely check it, maybe even a little bit before, depending on your oven. Temperatures do vary as far as cook times go. But it should be bubbly and it should be brown, and that's when it's done. And here we have our beautiful clafoutis. After 50 minutes, you can see that there's still some unevenness going on as far as the bubbling goes, and that is completely normal, guys. It should look like that. It will deflate as it cools down. Before it completely cools down, go ahead and sprinkle some powdered sugar. And enjoy. I'm not going to eat this second piece, and no one's here right now for me to share it with, but people will soon be home, and that's okay. But again, I just wanted to show you how easily this can. Look at this. That is the power of a Lodge pre-seasoned pan. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that this recipe blesses you. If you'd like to download and print a free copy of this recipe, visit divineappetit.com.